Section 4, number 3, you're going to find the measure of the exterior angle of angle ACD here. All right, so the equation for these, because this is considered to be a exterior angle, EXT, then you have the two interiors right here. The equation is that the exterior angle is equal to your interior plus your interior as well. Okay, so this allows us to set up the equation. 2x minus 8 is going to be equal to x plus 31. Okay, because your two interior angles is going to add up to that exterior. All right, so subtract x from both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just an x minus 8 is equal to 31, plus 8 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with an x is equal to 40 degrees. But we want the angle measurement itself. We want this angle here. Okay? So this angle DCA, is defined as 2x minus 8. But we know what x is. X is 40. So 2, we substitute in that 40. So it is 2 times 40 minus 8. 2 times 40 minus 8. This gets you 72 degrees as angle DCA. All right. Let's look at B here. Same thing. Your exterior angle is going to be equal to your interior plus your other interior angles. All right. This is your first interior angle. This is your second interior angle. And then ACD is your exterior angle. Let's make the substitution. 10x plus 9 is going to be equal to 7x plus 1 plus 38 degrees. Okay, we can combine some like terms. 7x, the 1 plus 38 is 39, leaving you with just a 10x plus 9. All right, subtract 7x from both sides. This does cancel right here. This leaving you with 3x plus 9 is equal to 39. Minus 9 from both sides. This cancels. 3x is equal to 30. Then divide by 3 to both sides. This gets you x is equal to 10. But we want to make sure we solve for this angle of ACD. So angle ACD is equal to 10x plus 9. Make that substitution. 10 parentheses 10 plus 9. This gets you 109 as angle ACD. Let's look at angle C here. And we want to find this exterior angle. All right, so let's find the interior angle. Let's find x first, okay? So we know that x plus 2x minus 21 plus this 90 is equal to 180, okay? We're just doing a triangle sum here, all right? This gets you 3x. 90 minus 21 is 69, plus 69 is equal to 180. Subtract 69 from both sides. 3x is equal to 180 minus 69. Gets you 111. Divide by 3. X is equal to 37 degrees. This means that this is 37 degrees. We know that this forms a line. So this forms a linear pair. All right? So we can say that angle DCA, which is right here, is going to be 180 minus 31. So 180 minus 31 is 149 degrees. Okay, there you go.